August ni thum sang ni som ni paruk ani kha ni Donald Trump hian in kan be don atia asoya atop dona an be le lova an in do lawa United States hian an in be lawa kan in dor zok don kan in be le zok don an ti Iran lampang in United States ne kan in be lo an lo ti le boxia US lampang hian in an jet fighter te an vatir le loi boxia enge awmzia hi kan ron ria kanga chumi ma ka sil du che tu na hian in TNM opticals chan maria hian in August thachunga tarmit in valei chuan Hmar in vati chuan tarmit in leilaya Hmar in vati chuan in vasoi chuan discount an lo pe cheunga free gift an lo pe cheunga chumi ba ka chuan August hatopa give away atel turin in eligible bok don an yo TNM opticals chan mari aizol in lo shedonia ole riek ila let's go.
The official news agency declared Trump the fool has run out of steam. Another news agency said Trump had once again backed away from his hollow.
Kha nia ka beidon atia asoi fak atopa ti hanin abelo lea Iran media te chuanin Donald Trump hituna henin an troll mekani the fool has run out of steam hanin asoi fak amaro chu min bele ngam tak chuang lo te hanin anin show sana samai ni Iran lampang himo. Trump once again backed away from his hollow threats and presented his retreat to a world as a favor. Atia zong han avo vaka Iran kha amaro chu beitum omang dewa an lana an beile lo kha khovel ma a mark ti thattum na mai ani tin Iran lampang chuanin Trump hi an ron soisel na savio mai ani
threats and portrayed his retreat as a favor to the world. Iranian news agencies also pointed to reports of shrinking US air defense missile stockpiles.
Video masalama po kan soito ani Iran lampang hian in United States te hian an mani in ve na to an air defense system hemi thad le Patriot air defense system vela missile te hi an nei tlem to ani ti Iran media lampang po hian in an lo puang ve na samai ni an mani lampang po hian mo an lo soi ve na sakhop mai kha Iran lampang chuanin an air defense system a cheto lu to ka chu wang chuanin Iran an be chuan kan be let ve zel don ti an thria minron beingam lawani tiang hoi zong de te khanin Iran lampang hin lowin thro savel lowin soi thei vel ani tu na hen.
The semi-official Tasnim news agency claimed those shortages were one of the main factors behind Trump's decision to halt the attack.
Hemi United States te Israel te le Middle East air defense system sang te hianin missile ami asilai mu te ang khamo an nei tlem to lutuk awang hianin he an nei tlem a hi chan sang om thei te zinga chan pakhat ani hetianga US-in min beilo na chan hi antia Iran lampang hi alowin soi thei ve ang reng khop maya chuanin Donald Trump ero chuanin le Fox News media te le media tam takina an soi dan chuanin Trump hi chuanin indo hi adu tak lova US sipai te po hi adu big na te a chau hianin amanga tiang vel zong khanin Trump pa ming chan kha an lo tum ve na sakhop mai ni tu na hian mo ai nga po chu ni se tu na hianin an in dole mai ka ring na se blo chuan tu na te po hianin kan in bien te Iran lampang ero chuanin United States te nen hianin kan in belo reng an ti le boxi mo.
Washington, however, dismissed those suggestions. Despite criticism from Tehran, Trump showed no sign of backing away from his latest position.
Well, now what we're doing is we're talking to them in the form of a negotiation. It begins tomorrow afternoon.
Voina nga hianin in beme kani amaro chu kha Iran lampang chuanin United States ne kan in bedon lo antia voina news check hatin an talan dan chuanin Oman nen zo kan in be ani United States ne hianin direct in kan in belo shrim anti amaro chu Trump chuanin Iran te ne hianin kan in dordon hetinga kan belo le na chan po hi hanin bevele shrim bela ati wang ani Trump hianin World War II United States te na German te heta Japan te khatiang laga beipui an thak ang vel khan anna sa thei topa Iran hi be antum ti report kha omania amaro chu tu na hianin Trump hianin na thul le hetianga Trump na Iran be a thula wang hianin oil man te po market oil international market oil man te po aron ta thana sa ani mo ka kha chu a thavel reng tho oil man ron ta thate kha chu.
And we'll see you at the show. I'd love to do that. Save a lot of lives. Save a lot of unnecessary power, to be honest with you. It'll take many years to ever build it back. If it could, I don't think it would be even buildable back. So we had an attack that would be the biggest attack since World War II.
World War II Indo pui pani na nulama sipai be pui thak na lian ber tur ni dona กันรวมมันอังคารกาลีละจูอามาเราจูหันเบต้าละจูกุมตั้มตักชุงอันมานี่อินเสียมชัดนานอันมังโดนตีข้าจูอาเจียงอ่ะอามาเราจูจูโลวะเตียงหันเบรงก็เตปโปค่ะเกนี่ตามโปขานินอัชโลเวแต่ข้าเตียนี่ที่ชวนินทรัมป์ไปรอให้ชวนินเฮตียงอ่ะอิรันกันเบดอนโลกันเบรีดอนโลกันอินเบเลโซกรีดอนเตียงอ่ะสวยรัวเอโรฮิจวนทรัมป์ไปเฮียนินอิรันฮีอัจูลพัดชวนินกันเบย์เที่ยงเท่านี้เตียงโซขานินอ่ะสวยเลยเท่านี้มองอันนี้เนี่ยหน่วยต่อไหมนี่
and it would have been disastrous for them, and they didn't want us to do it. And frankly, Saudi Arabia didn't want it either. They thought that a deal is imminent.
Oh, hey, taka hey, mitchen khatina an soile dan so mo. Saudi Arabia Middle East ram tam tak te hian in Donald Trump hi an nge na ni. Iran la ka be pui thla lo tur hian. Achan chu Iran hi an be ni chuanin US le Iran chau ni lo Middle East ram tam tak Muslim ram tam tak te hian in an tuar dona he Saudi Arabia te hian in an thchiang emema chuwang chuanin Saudi Arabia an ho tu pa ber hian abik takin Trump hi angen ani achan chu Iran te ni in dawani chuan heta Strait of Hormuz an block bok chuanin Houthis ten khulam bab el mandate strait kha an lo block vele don bok Saudi Arabia tan chuanin an oil te han thon chuana tur kha a in kong kha aping vek dona heta Swiss canal la changkha chuan an thon chuak thei thawanga an thon chuak thei thawanga thon chua chu amaro chu an customer te va thlenang khan tiran Asia lama an customer te thlenang kha chuan he ta Swiss canal la tringin Europe Africa te hel kwal du kha angai dona kha Saudi Arabia tan kha chuanin a hlok don lo ni tunan hlok ang hian mo kha Saudi Arabia te khan an threthiam ve a chu wang chuanin Trump hi abik takin an ngen ane mo.
While Trump has portrayed the latest diplomatic opening as the result of appeals from Gulf countries and what he claims was a request from Iran to hold off on strikes. Tehran, however, has flatly denied that claim. But
Trump hianin Iran te hianin min la be lokri lo te u tiangin min ron nge na de Trump hian mo amala zo Iran lampang yan ron phana samai ni.
This is not Trump's first promise of an imminent breakthrough. Trump has said directly in social media posts, public appearances and phone calls with the media that a deal was close or that Iran was desperate to reach one. Including the period before the ceasefire, he's done it at least 38 times.
Yo, hello, what chin chia thei ve. Iran ten en hian in deal kan siam trap to ani. Tiang hoi zo ga Trump pa hian ni na a soi hi. Social media hian in as a vai han bel khom chuanin voisom thum pariat atling to ani. An tian ni hello chin chia tha angrang.
It began on March 23rd, less than a month into the war. Trump was telling reporters outside Air Force One about supposed peace talks and cited major points of agreements.
March ni som ni pare da chang khanin Trump hianin Iran ten en hian deal kan siam trap to tiang zong khanin alo hril to ani tu voi som thum pare lai soi to ni.
Since then, his public message has remained largely unchanged.
You don't know what the dialogue is behind the scenes, that they want to meet desperately to try and end it because they're getting decimated. You don't get that when you listen to your fake station, but you don't know anything.
Yet, while Trump speaks of negotiations, the military pressure continues. US Central Command said its forces have redirected 35 commercial vessels, disabled 2 and boarded 2 others as the US blockade against Iran continues.
Longsom thum pakwa vel hi chu an angong to ani longsom thum panga hi an kalna direction an kal kong an thak tira chuanin long pani hi engine an ka chhe chakni na langa chuanin longdang pani a hian United States sipai te hi longdang pani hi United States sipai te hian an valu chil to bok ani a totalin longsom thum pakwa angong to ani o.
CENTCOM also released footage of a US Marine Corps F35C stealth fighter jet. The aircraft launched from the USS Abraham Lincoln. The carrier was operating in the Arabian Sea in support of the blockade. This is cutting-edge military technology at work. The F-35C is not just a fast jet, it's a flying computer. Its eyes are everywhere, with cameras, sensors and radars all working together at once. It can track moving targets and jam enemy signals so they don't even know it's there.
F35 Jet Fighter hi CENTCOM lampang hian an lo va thon chuak an lo va tir chuak ni tur ani. Itu data vel collect na poimo.
By releasing this video of jets launching from the Lincoln, the Pentagon is saying clearly America's most advanced air power is here.
Oh, hey poimo kho mai hi United States tactic ani. Iran chun beidon chuang lo amaro chu an jet fighter te hi hetianga an video an thok chuak lai video CENTCOM lampangin an ti chu Pentagon lampangin an ti chu hrim hrim a hi awmzia bera chuanin kan ral thuam thaber kan jet fighter thaber te hi tuna hianin Middle East a hianin an la awm mek ani Iran hianin deal an siam tu lo ni chuan an ni hianin be puan thak leang tiang zo khanin US sipai te chuanin US lampang chuanin Iran hi an norani hetiang psychological warfare mo hetiang hanin an rilu khan ne an tumani
It's ready, and if talks fail, it can strike anywhere, anytime. The negotiations should begin later today. But
hey voina US le Iran in biak na hi anin taka chuanin US le Iran hi direct in belon ni langa news sam takina an puan dan chuanin Iran hi Oman nen zo kan in bia hetianga Oman te nena an in biak hianin anin biak na hianin ra tha a chhuah don anga soi ani tuna chuan mo engtin tak nge anin biak chu kan la hre chuang lo na kina a detail de chuanin kan riek thenga maro chu tuna ri chuanin Iran le Oman te in biak na hianin ra tha a chhuah don Hormuz Strait of Hormuz hi engtin nge kan hon le theyang ti ang chi zong ta khanan soi ve ni empon ni se apoi mo bera chuanin Trump hianin be an tum te re ne tiang hianin an thul le a hi Iran media te chuanin an lo nui so a Trump ero chuanin hanin bevele reng ila kan du phot chuanin Iran te chu kan be thei alom amaro chu mitam tak khatia mitam takina nuna an chan le rengot kha a thalo we tiang zong khan khovel ma kha chuanin aron in po chuak thave ang reng ve wa Trump po hi katiang vel kha ani Iran hianin United States ne kan in below Oman nen kan in bia antia Trump hianin Iran hianin deal siam pui turin minon so mani min tu tak zet ani lo ti vele boka katiang kha tu na thil om dan ani atiang khan ni le phot ta sa video le mula chau do ni